Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming requirements, the correct game version, and a safe backup of your save. Once done, push your party through Tartarus to the highest accessible floors because critical personas drop late. This increases your fusion options. Make sure you have maxed or high social links that influence ultimate fusion outcomes and collect rare items used in specific fusions. From here, you can start targeted persona fusion attempts and prepare to fuse the fusion material for Messiah. Now you perform the complex fusion chain. Fuse lower and mid-tier personas to produce the exact prerequisites Messiah requires. You must work in the Velvet Room using triangle or advanced fusion, comparing level costs and predicted result to avoid overshooting. Pay attention to inherited skills since Messiah needs specific abilities or resistances. Manipulate fusion fodder to pass desired skills. Also monitor party level and save frequently. If a wrong result appears, reload and adjust fodder combinations to alter skill inheritance. Complete the final fusion in the Velvet Room when your displayed result is Messiah. Don't save until you confirm the persona's name and skills. Once acquired, immediately adjust skills using inheritance or skill cards to fit your build and equip it to the main party member. If Messiah doesn't appear, restore your backup and alter fodder levels or swap one ingredient to change inheritance patterns. This usually corrects unwanted outcomes. One key tip: always keep an offsite save so you can retry without losing progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.